You think Santa came? Do you think Santa Claus came?
No.
No?
I can't see him.
You can't see who?
I can't see him. It's gone.
Who? Who's gone?
It's got the car. It's got the car.
Maddie? What is it? Don't touch! Don't touch! What is that? What?
I want to open it.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Look what Alex is looking at.
Look, it's mine.
Go see what Alex is looking at.
What was it? Look, colors.
What is it?
Colors. This is mine, Mommy. This one's mine.
Yeah?
This is my friend. This is my cat.
What does it say?
Mommy, down my buddy.
What does it say here? It says, Merry Christmas, Maddie and Alex love Santa.
Yeah, but I need to cut it.
Okay.
I need to cut it. Cut it like this, has it?
You think you should go upstairs and get your baby?
No.
Why? You have a crib for your baby now. Look.
A crib, baby?
Look right there next to you. There's a crib.
A crib? A crib, baby?
Yeah.
Let's go upstairs.
You want me to go upstairs?
Yeah. Look at it, Mommy. Mommy, my tea party.
Your tea party?
Yeah, and inside. Look. Yeah. It's baby Snoke. That's baby Snoke. Wow, I just doing this. I'll call this.
I like it.
Yeah,
Supposed to do?
let's call this.
What is
I
it?
don't think it looks too big. Oh, I think I see it.
Thanks.
Oh, Thomas. Wow.
What is it?
That's pretty neat. Wow. Look at that. That looks cool.
Need scissors?
Me?
Maddie, where's your purse?
Look at that. You can
Maddie.
put your stuff in the purse.
Maddie, where's your purse?
You can put your presents in there and carry them around with you.
Thomas,